In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a carousel in Framer step by step so you can create a smooth, professional looking image slider without confusion. Whether you're building a portfolio, a product showcase, or a landing page, adding a carousel can make your layout feel more dynamic and interactive. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Framer tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Framer project. Once you're inside the editor, look for the Insert button, usually shown as a plus sign. Click that plus icon to open the Insert menu. This is where Framer lets you add different elements, components, and sections to your page. Now in the search bar, type carousel or slider. Framer should show you the carousel or slider component options available for your project. Select the one that best fits the style you want, then drag it directly onto your page. Once it's placed on the canvas, you can position it wherever you want the carousel to appear. Next, you need to add the images that will appear inside the carousel. To do that, click the plus icon again and add the number of images you want in the carousel. So if you want 3 slides, add 3 images. If you want 5 slides, add 5 images. The goal here is to make sure each image you want to display is available in the project and ready to connect. After that, click the 3 dots on the right edge of the carousel. This is where the carousel settings and connections can be adjusted. From there, connect the carousel to all the images you added. This step is important because it tells Framer which images belong inside the slider and how the carousel should cycle through them. Take a moment to review the setup and make sure every image is connected properly. If something looks off, go back and check the image connections again. A correctly linked carousel will let users swipe, click, or navigate through the slide smoothly, depending on how your project is configured. Once everything is connected, you can preview the page to see how the carousel behaves in real time. This is the best way to confirm that the images are showing correctly and that the transitions feel right. If needed, you can always go back and adjust spacing, sizing, or alignment so the carousel looks more polished. And that's it. You've now added a carousel in Framer. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in how your site looks and feels. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Framer tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.